Ocean University is giving away 2 scholarships, one in academics and one in athletics.
And I'm gonna win, because I am this school's top athlete.
Please, you are gonna have some competition from the captain of the swim team. Nice job, buddy. Give me some flippers. Woo! I'm sorry, Trip. You were saying?
No problem. I'll just win the academic scholarship. I just built my very own solar-powered skateboard.
Oh yeah, well Seymour built his own solar-powered car. Look!
Oh, no way.
Sorry about that, Seymour. Hey, this is terrific. Look at all these people out here. We'd love to see you graduate today. Hey, everybody. Thanks for coming.
They're so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Attention, we're about to announce the scholarship winners. All students, please report to the auditorium.
Come on everybody, let's go! Seymour, let's go! Why?
Come on, you guys, hurry up!
The winners of this year's academic and athletic scholarships are
She's loving it.
Clyde and Seymour!
Hold it!
Principal Twimby!
Stop the celebration. Clyde and Seymour may not graduate. Why, they didn't complete all of their classes. Seymour, is that true?
Yes! That means that the scholarships are now all mine.
Not so fast, Trip. Principal Twibby, what classes did they complete?
Excellent question, Neutron. Let's have a look, shall we? It seems that Clyde didn't complete science, Seymour didn't complete gym or drama, and neither completed dance. Therefore, the only possible way for them to graduate is if they finish all of those classes by the end of this very day.
That's impossible. There is no way they can finish each and every one of those classes in one entire day.
That's right, especially if he's swimming in the pool that he's not supposed to be. That's going to make it a lot harder for us to finish any classes.
Yeah.
They really are going to be mine.
Well, folks, I don't know if any of you figured this out by now, but this isn't really supposed to be happening. That's not really part of the show. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to let Seymour give him a chance to swim around here, and hopefully he'll come back over to Neutron, and we can continue on with the show.
Supposed to be over there? No, they're not supposed
Okay, he's looking at him. That's a really good sign.
to. No, this is not part of the trial. I've seen this on
And that's a really bad sign. Now, as we talked about earlier, for those of you who were here a few minutes early before the show when we did our little training demonstration, you might remember us talking about what we do when the animals do correct. Well, we have all sorts of ways to reinforce them when they're doing a good job, when they're doing something we want to call attention to. Then the other obvious question comes up, what do you do when the animals do something incorrect? Something you don't want to see repeated? Exhibit A. Well, we do absolutely nothing. There's not a whole lot we can do. These are 550-pound sea lions, and if Seymour wants to swim in the front pool, I'm going to let him. So now Neutron is looking at him. He thinks, oh, that's a good sign. He looks like he's ready to go. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Yeah, all right. Here we go. Clyde and Seymour are going to try. All right, well, let the classes begin. Woohoo!
Yay!
Well, at least he was happy. Yeah. I mean, you know, that's...
Okay, everyone, let's get into paces. Paces, please. This is a drama class, and I expect to see some great acting.
Pictures. Now it's a this
That is so cool.
I am one of the famous movie,
Love it.
and the students will perform a scene from it. First, maybe a suspense movie or a little spy movie, and of course, we're gonna have to finish. Oh, there you are, Seymour, practicing a dramatic entrance, I see. Now, as I was saying, I'll have a famous movie and you will perform a scene from it. First is Jaws. Action. All right, Chip, I'd like you to be part of this next one, please. Everyone to their places. How about a classic, I know, Hamlet?
Oh no.
To be or not to be? To be or... Seymour, those are my lines!
Yes, Seymour, everyone has their part to play. You'll get your chance. And now, to the grand finale, the sound of music.
Oh jeez. Oh my god.
All the hills are alive. What do you say, folks? Do they pass? Bravo, that was well done. Next class, science.
Ready? Science class.
Clyde? Hey! Clyde, where are you? Oh, we're gonna be late for science class. There you are, buddy. Come on, it's time for the bell.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, and welcome to the science class. I am Professor Whizbang. And today in my science class, we're going to be learning all about trajectory. Now, Hooper and Clyde, see if you can replicate this trajectory. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, fantastic! Well done, Clyde. Very, very well done. All right, I like that a lot. That was very good. All right, now, Neutron and Seymour, where are my star students? Come on. Oh, there you are. Yes. Oh, excellent timing, Neutron. Now, I have a special assignment for you and Seymour. Uh-oh. I think he has a question. Why don't you find out what it is? Oh! Ooh! Yes! He really has to go! Quickly! Neutron's bathroom is down the hall! Show Seymour's the way! Now moving on to astronomy. Now every scene that I see in my telescope here, yeah, you all can see on the screen right up there. Now, Clyde, step up and have a look, would you? Yes, well done. Isn't it beautiful? So beautiful. Yeah. What? What's that noise? What's it looking at? What's everybody laughing about? What? All right, enough of this. Moving on to the chemistry. Now, the first rule of chemistry is never pour the chemicals down the drain. All drains do indeed lead to the ocean. Now, Hooper carefully mix the chemicals. Careful not to spill a single drop. Well done.
Hang on, we'll try it again.
Try it again.
Yeah, let's do it.
3 screams, take 2.
You ready? Okay, here we go. We're ready now.
Here we go. Oh no! He spilled the chemicals down the drain. It's going to stop up the pipes in the bathroom.
Don't worry, we can fix it with this.
What's that?
This is the air can we made in science class yesterday. Now look, this is really easy. All we have to do is take this air cannon and fill it with gas from this canister right here. There we go. And now, this little cannon right here becomes a super powerful cannon. See?
Wowza! Wow! Really packs a punch.
Yeah, and we can use this to clear the pipes from here all the way to the bathroom.
What? Are you sure it's safe to point that little air cannon down the drain?
Yeah, what's the worst that could happen?
That's true.
Do not go in there!
Lunch!
Me too.
I'm the lunch lady. Welcome to the cafeteria.
Oh boy.
On today's lunch, you got two choices. Take it or leave it. Neutron.
Present!
Yeah, I got a present for you. Detention, cause you're late. Immediately. Don't make me call your mother on the last day of school. Alright, hey Seymour. We got fish for your lunch. So, I'm gonna divide this fish out between me and you. Even Steven, don't touch anything until I'm done. Okay, very nice. That's how you mind your manners. That's exactly how I wanna see you, facing the front. So here we go. One fish for me and one fish for you. And then we got two fish over here for me and two for you. Okay, wait just a second. I thought I put a fish on the plate. Maybe I didn't. I could have miscounted. I'll start all over, but I'm watching you. Here we go. One for me and one fish for you. And then we got two over here for me and two for... Okay, that is it. I know I put a fish on that plate that time. And you stole the fish. Yes, you did. I know you did. I saw you and you stole too, didn't you, folks? All right, I see whose side you're on. But this is what happens when students steal fish from me. I do this. Don't worry, I didn't really bite him. I just barely touched him on the neck. Okay, he's just messing with all of you because I barely even touched him. See, it works with either hand. Pinky. Elbow. Knee. No hands. Okay, lunch is over.
Alright, Seymour, how was your lunch? I was in detention the whole time. Hurry up! Our next class is dance, and we still gotta get warmed up. Alright, buddy, good job. Alright, you gotta wake up a little, Seymour. We gotta stretch it out. Come on. Seymour, you're not gonna be ready for dance. Warm up. Nice job. Okay, I think we're ready.
All right, everyone, this is dance class. Now, let's review the disco hustle kit. And kit, don't shake your head, no, Seymour. Kit, there we go. And hit! Oh, right on. Very good. All right, Neutron and Seymour, now I'd like to see you both do the tango. So you better get moving to your next class, which I believe is gym. And don't dawdle in the hallways, because you know how Principal Trimby gets on the last day of school, especially this time of year.
I think he heard his flipper dancing and he doesn't want to go, just like he doesn't want to do anything the whole show today.
Oh no! Well, you better go take him to see the school nurse.